I'm doing this now, this feature in this marble hexagon and I'm using mastic. Mastic is a one pot mix especially designed for this sort of thing. Don't use it anywhere else. Don't try and glue up your wall tiles with it or in a shower or anything like that. No, just on your wall with mosaics. That's all you use it for. And you always use a 6mm notch trowel to put it on. It's sort of weird stuff, but wherever you put your tile, that's where it stays. You can move it around a little, but say that's your tile, that's it. So you can hang them. You can hang your tile if that's what you want to do. But it is not the right glue for anything else. Don't forget that. Now what I've got here is this line is below the vanity. This vanity is going to be a wall hung, so it's hung on the wall. It doesn't go to the floor. And the height of it is about where my finger is. So my join is covered and the end of it stops about there. That's why I've put a piece of aluminium in. Get it on the best way you know how. Just slap it on. And then you comb it off. If you go any thicker than a 6mm notchy, it won't dry. It doesn't, this glue does not dry in any bigger form than what I'm doing. You know, if I was using a 12mm notchy, for example, that's too much. And with that tile, I don't need to use spacers or anything to hold it in place, if you know what I mean. Hang on, I'll just get another box of tiles. So I'm not centering it or anything like that. Whatever my cut is going to be, will be. I will get a wooden float in a minute. You see how it hangs? I've got nothing supporting that. That's how good this stuff is. So you're watching your join. So how does that go here? That's lovely. Beauty. I'm not quite sure what colour to do my grout yet. Light grey may be the same as what I'm doing here, because there's quite a bit of grey in there. Might work out quite good. I was thinking of like a white, but I don't know. Let's just find that wooden float.